Hey guys, today we're going to go over how to follow a trend on your chart. This is going to be a very basic, beginner-friendly video on how to follow a trend. I'm not going to get into multiple time frame analysis, momentum filters, MACD, all of this crazy stuff. We're going to leave that for the Trend Cloud Masterclass in Technical Analysis, okay? So if you want to peek at that, click the link below and you can actually check out the free mini course. So let's just get into how to follow a trend. Now I have the S&P up here and you can see that's SPX 500 on your trading view system, and that's the S&P 500, okay? So without anything on the chart, take a look at this trend that we have right here. It's pretty easy to say that this trend right here is going up. And let's just put a line. This is a trend line, and it helps you follow the trend as it moves up, okay? Now, the trick to this is to understand, where does the trend begin and where does it end? Well, it's pretty easy when you draw that out. You see a small trend here, it ends, and then it starts to continue up. What happens here? We start to go sideways. Let's draw another line here. Here's a sideways movement and continues up. Draw another line, and we're just following the trend. And you could see what I'm doing here is I'm just connecting from point A to point B, right? You want to connect those pullback points with your trend line. Now, what is it going to do here? Well, look at this. It starts going down. Okay, so again, where does the trend end and where does it begin? How do we get good at understanding this? How do we figure out how to make predictions, should I dare say? This is all charting, okay? Little bit of a false breakout here, and oh no, we're still going to continue down. And then finally, we get this break here, and the trend starts to go back up again. Okay, so we're just drawing trend lines to follow the trend. Now, in the masterclass, we're going to get into what happens during the trend that makes it reverse. And you can see, let's draw some lines here. See this pullback right here? We get a break of that previous structure high and a move up. How about over here? Okay, right here, we get a break of that previous structure low right here, and then moves down. And you can, isn't it interesting how the break of structure, the pullback comes right back to that same area and then continues down. Okay, all of this we go over in the masterclass. Let's do it again here. Sideways movement, starting here. Sideways, range bound, break of structure. Moves up, okay? And again, right here, okay, where we started out. Here's the last pullback, break of structure, and a move up. Now, is there an easier way to do this if you've never looked at a chart before and you didn't know how to draw all of these lines? Well, that's where Trend Cloud comes in. You can just put Trend Cloud on your chart and it's going to tell you red candles, downtrend, green candles, uptrend, sideways, yellow candles, yellow, and then this black plus sign, that is the crossover. So you can see you've got two in a row. It crossed to the downside and crossed back to the upside very quickly. And it showed you that with that one red candle and then one green candle. Okay, this happened very rapidly. You want to be able to have this information as quickly as possible so that you can start making decisions. The other thing you'll see on Trend Cloud are these numbers here. What the heck is that? Well, these are waves. Now, there are 5 waves in an average trend. And isn't it nice to have that on your chart so that you can suspect some type of deep pullback or reversal? Went 5 waves and then started to reverse. 5 waves, went sideways. We get this little bit of a false breakout and then another move down. This one only went 2 waves and then started to climb out of that trend. But again, Trend Cloud is showing you this with that trend signal reversal. Now, let's go a step further. When can we buy and sell stock? Let's go over here, show conservative entry arrows, and there we go. Now let's go back to the beginning and take a look at this. Right here is where we get our reversal. There's your crossover signal. Candles turn green, Trend Cloud signals, okay? Pulls back into Trend Cloud, impulse up. So you have all these signals here where you have potential areas to get into the trade. And again, we're not going to go over multiple time frames here. I just want you to understand that you can put trend cloud on your chart and get signaled as to when you should be entering a trade or getting out of a trade. And these signals will go right to your cell phone. Okay, you can set trend cloud to send you a text when you have a signal on your chart. Now, look at all these signals here in this sideways movement. Again, in the Trend Cloud Masterclass, we go over when you should take these signals and when you should ignore them. Here, as we said, there are 5 waves in an average trend. Well, we're right at the 4th wave. Do we really want to be taking signals in an uptrend late in the trend? Okay, we're at the 4th wave. We only have 1 more wave to go, and then this thing may reverse. What happened here? It went sideways and recalculated because it crossed below the trend cloud. So in order to reload, recalculate the wave count, price must cross below the trend cloud. And that's what it did right here. Cross below, recalculation, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, reversal. Okay, so Trend Cloud gives you a ton of information for the beginner to actually understand where you are in the trend. In the Trend Cloud Masterclass, we get into how to use this on the high time frame and also understand it on the lower time frames as well. So you want to make sure that your trend cloud is lined up across those multiple time frames, and that's when you take the trade. But we're just focusing right now on how to follow a trend. What happens here at the very end? False breakout, pulls down, and right here we know that we're back in an uptrend because the candles turn green and we have our crossover signal. And this is where we are right now today. Okay, so again, here we are, 4th wave. We're getting some trend cloud signals, but I would not be taking that right now because we are late in the trend. I would wait for some sort of recalculation and then start my analysis again. Okay, so that's how you follow a trend using the Trend Cloud system. Click the link below and take the free mini course. We go over a ton of setups, and you'll also get a free trade plan that I will be using next month in the trading competition here on TradingView. Thanks, guys. I'll see you in the next video.